guys, it is 1:30 a.m. and we are going to be leaving tomorrow at 4 o'clock in the evening. But I had to get so much stuff done and so much packing done. And you guys can see all the suitcases are just lying there. I have to finalize my packing in the morning and let's go. Let's see how Varanasi is. We have now left for the airport and our flight is at 4:45. We'll be landing by 7:30 or so, I think. Not sure. But yeah, we have left and I'm very excited. I hope I get to try street food tonight. I am now finishing my steps at the airport because it's a huge place. You can walk around for so long. I have 20 minutes before I board, so let's see how many steps I can get in.
E-magazine is available for your reading
flight
and menu choices.
We're about to
अपनी यात्रा को और
start
शानदार बनाने के लिए आप इस फ्लाइट पर
and I'm
उपलब्ध
very
हमारे
excited to go to
सीट
Varanasi.
अपग्रेड्स
I
में
have
से
never
चुन
been to
सकते हैं।
UP before.
एक्सेल सीट्स के साथ
so
ज्यादा
much that
लेगरूम
we have
का
not seen.
या फिर अप फ्रंट
See you
में आगे
guys
बैठकर
in Varanasi.
अपने स्नैक का
We are now on our way to the hotel and I'm really excited. I have never been to this state before and I'm so sorry it's really dark, but I will show you guys the room once we reach. We have just freshened up and we're headed out to find some Banarasi chaat, which is very famous over here. And this is what our hotel looks like. There's a bit of a mess because we just got ready, but this is it. I'm a little irritated because the washroom was not very clean for a 5-star. I don't know, guys. I don't know. We have now reached a very famous chaat house which is called Deena Chaat Bhandar, and we are going to show you guys what all we're going to try there. Deena Chaat Bhandar was started in 1940s and has been open for over 80 years, and this place had a 4.1 rating on Google and over 10,000 reviews. So we thought that this place was going to be amazing. The first thing we tried over here was the pani puri, and honestly guys, it was such a bad pani puri. It was not chatpata, not salty, nothing. The second thing we tried was the tomato ki chaat, which was honestly amazing. It had these little fried crispy things on it, which was just amazing. The next thing we tried was this samosa chole chaat, which was, by the way, ragda and samosa. I don't know why it was called chole, but anyway, this chaat was also decent, but kuch bhi unique nahi tha. It was not at all unique. And then the next thing that we tried was this palak patta chaat, which was again just tasting the same like every other dish that we had. But overall guys, this place was just not it. It was extremely hyped, extremely crowded, not very hygienic, and not worth going. After having this chaat, we were sitting in this very funky rickshaw, and then we went to have rabdi and lassi.
I'm gonna put on some music as well.
I have taken a rabdi, my husband has taken lassi. I hate lassi, but I tried a bite. It was pretty good. This place had so many cups. I was assuming that they have crazy sales throughout the day. Then we were just walking around the streets. Okay guys, we've been walking around the streets and honestly this place is not very safe for women. Very weird men, more weird than maybe your own city. I don't know, man, but we've just had an incident where a man got so close to me, uncomfortably close. My husband had to pull me back. But anyway, apart from that, everybody honks a lot over here, you know, like a lot. It's very loud, constant honking. You'll hear it in the background somewhere. But it's got some charm, I would say. Small town sort of charm. Also, the rickshaw walas do not leave you alone, and it's a bit scary. We had a lot of rickshaw walas just bombarding us. E-rickshaws, normal rickshaws, cycle wala rickshaw. Oh my god, like hundreds of them are constantly coming up to us and kinda like not in a polite way, just like come sit in the rickshaw, we'll drop. It's a little too much, guys. No, I would say women travelers should not come here alone for sure. I don't think it's safe here. So we were staying in Taj, and this was a decent property. Honestly, I've been to better 5 stars, but we were actually here in Varanasi because my husband is receiving an award. So the rest of the trip was planned by that particular organization, and they had done a very good job by organizing the whole trip. They had school buses and they had IDs for everybody, and they took us to all of the famous spots that were to be visited in Varanasi. There was a lot of walking involved. I had such horrible shoe bites throughout the day. Honestly, guys, you need to wear comfortable footwear if you're coming to any place that is a religious place. The welcome was really nice. We were in like a boat, a cruise, I don't know what you could call this. They had live music playing over here, bhajans, but the musicians were amazing. The vibes were really good. It was just so hot. It was very hot, and honestly everybody was just really bothered by how hot it was after a point. But it was actually a really nice ride at night. We also went to the famous Kashi temple, but you are not allowed to take your phones there. And the best part of this entire trip for me was to sit in this cruise and just look at all of the architecture from the boat and all the lightings at night and all the aartis that were happening. It was pretty nice to see that. But apart from that, I don't know how I feel about Varanasi as a place. It is day 3 in Varanasi, and I just woke up and my period started and I'm in so much pain, like I couldn't move. I have my medicines, but I can't have it empty stomach, and I didn't have it in me to even go down for the breakfast. So I requested them to send something to my room, and they were so nice. They have sent exactly everything I asked for. I asked for fruits, 2 toasts, 1 croissant. They even added a muffin and some yogurt, and they've sent it over, and my meds are there. I'm gonna be having that. I can't survive. I have the main event tonight where my husband is getting an award, and I need to feel better till then. But oh boy, I'm so happy that they sent food over. Man, they didn't have to, but they did. So happy for that. And now I'm gonna try to enjoy. Like, this would be so ideal on a day when I'm not, I'm actually feeling good, but I'm not feeling good. So I'm gonna eat this, take my meds, rest a bit, get ready, and go down for lunch as well, because they have organized some lunch as well. So see you guys then. I had breakfast. Honestly, guys, I was just not feeling well. So the entire day I did not really record much because I was fighting through a lot of pain. So I have just taken some clips from the event's Instagram and I've added it here so you guys can get a glimpse of how the event went. And I will see you guys in the next one. you need to check the description for a full detailed review that I have given on Varanasi. Check it out and then decide if you should go to Varanasi or not.